If scale is a challenge for your DevSecOps transformation, then this is the session for you. Good day to all from me and my colleague, KrishnaKanth. I'm Shilpa, Delivery Manager for Infosys IT with 22 years of experience in .NET, SAP, and open source technologies. In addition to my portfolio, I also anchor DevSecOps for Infosys IT.
Hi, I'm KrishnaKanth, Senior Technology Architect at Infosys with around 15 years of experience on Java J2E development, SDLC and DevSecOps tools consulting, and presently I am leading the Infosys DevSecOps platform development and implementation. So today, myself and Shilpa are going to share how we went about mission DevSecOps at Infosys IT, the challenges that we faced, and how we overcame it, and what kind of benefits we saw.
We represent Infosys, an organization with around 249,000 employees and 13 billion US dollar revenue across 46 countries. Our mobile app, Infimi, itself gets 10 million hits daily. With this scale, systems become the digital backbone for the organization. Our vision for Infosys as a live enterprise is to position our 240K plus workforce at the sensing, feeling, and responding core of the company, with the ability to seamlessly interact with and continuously learn from our ecosystems. To realize this vision, we are reimagining our employee experience, our core business processes, and all our enabling IT systems and infrastructure. This means focusing on the personal productivity, nurturing zero latency in the processes, ensuring just-in-time data for decision-making, driving hyper-productivity, and facilitating continuous learning to instill new patterns of sentient behavior. The book for live enterprise transformation is available online. When the pandemic struck, quick turnaround for the changes in processes for work from home was acid test for live enterprise. Our systems and processes had to undergo quick changes for work from home. Infosys IT enabled the changes through DevSecOps automation with quick turnaround and quality deliverables. To understand how we did this at scale, we need to understand the digital transformation and Agile DevSecOps journey of Infosys IT. We started our digital transformation journey in 2017. We were primarily .NET and SAP shop with manual functional testing and homegrown release tools. There were 200 plus web applications to be transformed. For digital transformation, speed of delivery was important. And logically, first step was to move from waterfall model to Agile. We had tailored Agile program for Infosys IT and the business partners. More than 1,000 employees were trained during this program, followed by Agile assessment framework definition and the Agile certifications. We have 50 plus certified Scrum Masters. We were clear that DevOps was needed as the old homegrown release tools and the manual testing would hinder the speed of digital transformation. The next important step was to standardize the technologies for digital transformation. Movement from .NET to open source was clear direction. We had identified 7 new open source technologies for digital transformation. There were 200 applications with more than 1,000 pipelines, 6,000 builds per month, and 50,000 test cases per month. Automation for DevSecOps had to keep up with the speed at which new technologies were being standardized. Ease of adoption for DevSecOps was critical ask to manage the scale. As we were continuously learning and evolving the new tech stack, we needed agility to add new technologies and change tools for CI, CT, and CD on the fly. With the agility and speed, we also needed governance with common habits and routines across teams, visibility of adoption to DevSecOps practices, and ability to measure the results. This was a critical decision point for us, and we asked ourselves, how do we scale DevSecOps adoption across thousands of components? Are technology changes disrupting DevSecOps automation setup? How do we cope up with the constantly changing tools? And how do we govern these DevSecOps transformation at scale? Are you also facing the same challenges? At this juncture, Infosys DevSecOps platform gave us ability for ease of use, scalability, and good governance platform. KrishnaKanth, over to you for the solution that helped Infosys IT to transform at scale.
Thanks, Shilpa. Thanks for sharing the challenges in the Infosys IT landscape. So when we talk about DevSecOps adoption, and that too at scale, there are some challenges that we typically see. So it is easy to set up a DevSecOps pipeline for one team.